us through bedtime tonight around 11 o'clock. Now, if you tuned in this morning, we had this orange level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather, and I told you that we don't often see level 3s. Level 1s and 2s are common, and while still important, we seldom see a level 3, meaning that that's something we need to pay attention to. Now we have these black hatches, which is our way of saying that the tornado threat in particular has increased. So that's what we're monitoring as we head later into this afternoon and this evening. But look at me. Do not freak out. Do not be scared. I understand Alabama and weather in North Alabama can be very scary, but you do not need to be. We've been tracking this for a week. We're not going anywhere until it's out of our system, and we're going to make sure you're as informed as you possibly can be to stay safe. The storm line comes into the shoals around 2 o'clock, the Huntsville Metro around 6, and makes its way into Sand Mountain right around 8 o'clock. Here's what it looks like on future radar. It's all coming with a cold front. I told you this morning it was called a QLCS, a quasi-linear convective system, and that the more linear that line becomes, the more dangerous it becomes. It pushes into the Huntsville Metro right around 6 o'clock. Notice what we're not seeing is an incredibly linear system. However, what's likely, the reason that we've increased the strength of our tornado probability is because we're seeing less cloud cover. We know we'll be warm today, so warmer conditions, a little bit more sunshine could lead to a very charged atmosphere. This crosses over I-65 around 6 o'clock right when you're headed home from work, so make sure you're mindful of that. It pushes into Sand Mountain around 7 and 8, and then it stays with us as we head later into this evening and into the overnight hours, but it is no longer severe. So by around 9:30, conditions are starting to look better for us. Rainy, yes. A few embedded thunderstorms, yes, but no longer severe. So that is all good news. A little bit of bad, a little bit of good. Again, that stronger rain coming later this afternoon, staying with us, but note how warm we are. So areas that see more sunshine are the same areas that are likely to see stronger of the severe storms today.